Hey, what's up, guys? Pardon the noise. I've got the soldering station going over there, but I was digging into this one. This one's getting built, and it was obviously from Drawsmax. It had some work done there, and these solenoid wires, they're not the factory solenoid wires, and you can tell they've just been tacked to the solenoid. Never seen this color solenoid wire, so I figured maybe you could want to tag along and see what's in here. I'm guessing it is the board. I'm guessing it is a knockoff Draws board, and I've only seen one other one of those. But no, I'm sorry, two. But we'll find out in just a second. Anybody catch the shuttle launch a few days ago? Ah. Gotta get some tweezers to grab that. Okay. Yeah, happy election day. Keeps jumping off and jumping back on. This one too. All right. Yeah, never seen that color before. Oh, left the batteries in it. What are we gonna find? It's a mystery board. Yeah, the customer picked this one up off of eBay. Came with a 23-inch tactical barrel. I'm assuming it was made by Drawsmax. MC was the guy who came up with the design, and Drawsmax just copied it later on. Yep, it's one of those boards. Yeah, I was told by Ray that he and another individual whose name I will not mention, they teamed up, and they had these boards made in China, and their price was less than $10 a piece. Alright, that was a real quick video. Just wanted to show you guys that. There's nothing wrong with these boards. They seem to be pretty good quality. They're hardly ever see them though. I think this is only the third one. They are full auto. They have the 1200 round a minute chip in them. I think what they did was they had it built in China and then didn't have the chip on them. They just probably received them and then put the chips in there. The chips, I think the origin of those was in the bumblebees. Let's turn that off. Since the board's different in a bumblebee, I took a different little chip, and some of the early ones had one of these on a smaller board that would piggyback on the main board. And so those were the full auto chips. And the code for the full auto chips, I believe a Russian came up with it, and it was actually open source for a while, but eventually the file got corrupted. I actually have a clean copy of it. And so later on, when they came out with the Blackbird board, I'm not sure why, but they went with this type of chip. If anybody has more information on the early origins, I'd love to hear it. Just drop it below. All right, guys, just a real quick video. Don't forget to go out and vote. Ew, that's nasty. I wonder if that was causing problems. Maybe these boards weren't as good as I thought they were. All right, guys. Later.